One number is 3 times another. The sum of their reciprocals is 20 over 3. Find the numbers. So since this is a word problem, the first thing we should do is label our variables. So we know that we have two numbers, and one number is 3 times another. So we can let x be equal to the smaller number, and then to find the bigger number, it's 3 times the other number. So we can say 3x is going to be the larger number or the other number. So we know that the sum of their reciprocals is 20 over 3. So we want to find each of these reciprocals. So the reciprocal of x is going to be just 1 over x, right? Because the reciprocal of any value is 1 over that value. And similarly, the reciprocal of 3x is going to be 1 over 3x. So now we can actually set up our problem. So it says the sum of their reciprocals, so 1 over x plus 1 over 3x is equal to 20 over 3. So now we get to solve. And the way we solve this is we multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD to cancel out all of the denominators. So the LCD of the denominators we're looking at, which is x, 3x, and 3, is 3x, right? It's the smallest number that when you multiply it by each of these terms will cancel out all of the denominators. So let's multiply both sides of the equation by 3x. So let's put a little dot there to signify multiplication. So now what I want to do for the left is I want to distribute this 3x right into each term. So the first term gives us 3x over x, which simplifies to 3. And the second term is 3x over 3x, which is just 1. And then on the right side of the equation, the 3's cancel out, so we're left with just 20x. So our equation looks like 4 is equal to 20x. So then what we want to do is divide both sides of the equation by 20 so that x is equal to 4 over 20, which reduces to 1/5. Now let's go back to the problem. We're not quite done, right? We want to find both of the numbers. And we found x, which is the smaller number. So to find the larger number, we have to multiply 3 times x. So we want to multiply 1/5 times 3, which gives us 3/5. So we found both the numbers, and we can say the two numbers are 1/5 and 3/5.